All right, y'all. Today we're going to be brewing up some kava. What you need to start off with is kava itself. Strainer bag. We use 80 micron. Bucket of water. Use cold tap water. Warm water makes it taste a little odd, so this just works a little bit better. What you're going to do here, you're going to get your kava, empty out over the bucket of water, just because, all that dust is the good stuff right there. Tie it off. And what you're going to do is you're going to massage the bag a little bit, get it started soaking, make sure the water gets in there just fine. All right. Now you're going to let that sit for about 10 minutes if you're on your own. Now I'm going to let that one sit, but just to get the process going, I've already started one here. So what you're going to do is you're going to massage the bags again. Squeeze out the water and wring it dry. You're going to repeat that process of setting it in, massaging the bag, and wringing until the kava goes from a slimy texture to a more sandy texture. You'll be able to feel the difference. The bag's going to get easier and easier to squeeze as you go along. This one's been soaking for a second, so it's going to take not necessarily as long as it normally would. Normally, you'll squeeze for about 10 minutes as well. Full process should only take you about 20. Good rule of thumb is whenever you think you're done squeezing, squeeze it one more time. Just to ensure that you get every last bit out of your kava. And